everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a melting ice cube out of polymer clay and UV resin. So to start out, I have a small ball of translucent white clay and I'm turning it into a cube. So with my pointer finger and thumb on one hand, I'm pressing the top and bottom. And with the other two fingers on the other hand, I'm pressing the front and back. And then I'm just rotating at 90 degrees crosswise and repeating on all sides. And now to make everything more flat, I'm gently rolling and pressing the clay onto my work surface. Just doing this on all sides until I have a smooth cube. So now it's time to add the face. So I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of black. And a tiny little smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm brushing on some pink chalk pastel. And to turn it into a charm, I'm adding in an eye pin and then baking everything fully using my package's instructions. And then once it's cooled down completely, I'm securing the eye pin with some Superglue. And glazing the ice cube with some UV resin to make it nice and shiny. And I'm curing it under my UV lamp. I then have a silicone mat to protect my work surface. I'm then squeezing some UV resin onto the mat to make the puddle. And placing the ice cube on top before curing it completely. And then just removing it off my work surface. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!